Hey there, fellow gardening enthusiasts. Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of hydroponics with a look at what I consider the best pH meter for hydroponics on the market, the VIVOSUN Digital pH Meter. Let's get started. First things first, let's talk about why pH levels are crucial for successful hydroponic gardening. pH levels determine the acidity or alkalinity of your nutrient solution, which directly impacts your plant's ability to absorb essential nutrients. And that's where a reliable pH meter like this one from VIVOSUN comes in handy. What sets the VIVOSUN pH meter apart is its high accuracy and versatility. Whether you're a seasoned hydroponic gardener or just starting out, this pen-type pH tester is a game-changer. It's perfect for not only hydroponics but also household drinking water, pools, spas, and even aquariums. Calibrating your pH meter is a breeze thanks to its advanced technology, ensuring fast and accurate results every time. Plus, the backlit LCD screen makes reading the results a breeze, even in low-light conditions. Now, let's talk about user experience. The VIVOSUN pH meter is pocket-sized and lightweight, making it easy to carry around your garden or laboratory. And with its automatic temperature compensation feature, it adjusts to water temperature for almost instant pH readings. But wait, there's more. When you purchase the VIVOSUN pH meter, you'll also receive everything you need to get started, including a user manual, 2 1.5 volts button cells, and 3 picohenries buffer powders. So, is the VIVOSUN Digital pH meter worth it? Absolutely. With its high accuracy, ease of use, and versatility, it's a must-have tool for any hydroponic enthusiast. Trust me, once you start using this pH meter, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. And that's a wrap for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more informative content. Until next time, happy gardening!